Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Whether you are here because you love baking, want to sharpen your baking skill, or you are simply curious about what happened behind the scene in a baker's kitchen, you are in the right place and I am so excited to have you here today. My name is Joan Nena Igwe and this channel is dedicated to all things baking, pastries and hands-on culinary learning. I created this space not just to share recipes, but to help you truly understand the why and how behind the techniques and make great baking possible. This channel is specially for beginners, pastry students, home bakers, and anyone who believes that a good dessert has the power to make any day better. Before we dive into today's content, I would like to take a few minutes to tell you what this channel is all about, what you can expect, and how I hope to help you grow, learn, and have fun in the kitchen. Why I started this channel? Baking is more than mixing ingredients and sticking something in the oven. It's precision, creativity, techniques, and patience all roll into one. Over the years, from learning basic skills and mastering advanced pastries, I realized something important. Many people love baking, but they don't always have access to clear step-by-step guidance. So I decided to create a place where anyone, regardless of experience, can learn how to properly measure ingredients, how to master pastries basics, how to avoid common baking mistakes, and most importantly, how to build confidence in the kitchen. Whether you are a student preparing for your culinary pastry exam, a hobby baker who wants to level up your skills, or someone who just enjoy delicious results, this channel will serve as your learning companion. What are the things you'll be learning here? I want you to know that every video on this channel is designed to teach, inspire, and encourage you. Here are some of the things you will be seeing regularly. 1. Step-by-step tutorials. We'll break down recipes in a clear and easy to understand way, from simple cupcakes to advanced wedding cakes. You will get hands-on practical instructions. Number 2, pastry students training. If you are studying baking formally or planning to, this channel will help you build your foundation. We'll cover essential skills like knife skills, creaming, folding, and whipping techniques, working with yeast dough, understanding baking science and temperatures. Number 3, baking troubleshooting. Why did your cake sink? Why did your bread not rise? Why is your cream splitting? Why did your cake crack in the middle? Why is your cake bitter? Why is your cake too soft or too strong? Why did your cake spoil so easily? Why you are not making sales in your pastries business? We will solve all these mysteries together so you can avoid common struggles and improve quickly. Number 4, ingredients knowledge. I want you to know that one small change in your ingredients can completely alter the recipe. I will teach you what each ingredient does and how to substitute wisely and how to work with tools and equipment that you already have at home. Number 5, creative pastries projects. From celebration cake to elegant wedding and occasional cakes. We get inspiration to do a lot of things, baking, creativity, and cakes. Now my teaching style. I want this channel to feel like we are baking together in the same kitchen. That is why I focus on clear explanation, visual demonstration, real-time tips, and honest results, even if things don't go perfectly. Because let's be honest, baking isn't always flawless. And that is okay because mistakes are part of the learning journey. And I'll show you how to fix them and grow from them. What are the things you can expect going forward? Every week I'll upload video featuring the following: beginners friendly recipes, professional pastry techniques, student practice sections, baking challenges, kitchen hacks, about ingredients, and question and answer section where I answer your baking questions. I want this channel to be shaped not just by me, but by you, the viewers and baking lovers. So feel free to leave comments, share your baking stories, or request tutorials you want me to treat. This channel is for you. Whether you are dreaming of opening your own bakery, or preparing for culinary schools, or wanting to bake beautiful things at home for your loved ones, this channel is a space where you can learn at your own pace, ask questions, and gain real practical skills. And remember, you don't need fancy tools and professional kitchen to make amazing pastries. All you need is passion, patience, and the willingness to try. I'm here to guide you step by step. Before we start, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn the notification so that you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. And if you enjoy what you see today, give the video a like and comment. It helps support the channel and bring out baking communities together. Thank you so much for being here, for learning with me, and for taking the steps towards becoming a more confident baker. I can't wait to see what you create, guys. Now let's roll up our sleeves, preheat those ovens, and jump right into the day's deal. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the world of baking. So guys, this is where I come to the end of today's introduction. We'll dive into the main deal from my next video. So keep in touch. See you again in my next video. Love you. Bye.